हाँ Good morning, students. Today will be discussion about Java virtual machine. This is the part 3 of Java. Previous class we have discussion about structure of Java. So how to write the Java code. Today we will discussion JVM. There are JVM full form is that Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine is available only in Java, not in others language. Java virtual machine is essential part or for a Java language. In other language there have some compilers, but in Java there have some bytecode. That's why Java can run in any platform. Suppose you want to Java run in mobiles, that also possible to JVM. So JVM is an extra benefit for a programming language that easily you can run any platform in Java. What is JVM? All language compiler translate source code into machine कोड. सभी कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में सोर्स कोड है जो आप लिख रहा है कंप्यूटर में, जो प्रोग्रामिंग लिख रहा है उसी को बोलते हैं सोर्स कोड. एंड machine can understand only language, that language only 0 and 1. All computer language that have source code convert to machine language. But there are some extra benefit in Java. There are bytecode. Here is that for the specification computer answer is that Java compiler and intermediate code known as bytecode. Here is that some bytecode is present in only in Java. Bytecode means only machine code. That is not in present other programming language. That's why machine can easily understand that bytecode. In other programming language there have no any bytecode by machine code or interpreted language of machine. For a machine that does not exist, this machine is called Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine is a machine that only acquainted or interpreted with machine and any programming language. And it exists only inside the computer of memory. सब कंप्यूटर में मेमोरी का अंदर में JVM है, तो इसलिए only Java can only understand bytecode and it can be run any platform. Suppose you want run a program in mobile, it is possible to run easily in a Java program due to JVM is present in Java. And similarly, computer which within the computer and does not all measures of real computers. And the virtual machine code is not machine specific. The machine code is known as machine generated by the Java interpreter. By action is an intermediate between virtual machine and real machine. So here is that I have given a drawing about how to Java operate. When here is that user. Who is the user? We are the users. We are what to do? Given an instruction and operation an instruction. User can do where? User do a user application program. user operate any action in user application program. And when an user operate any instruction, it reached on user application program. User application program is a platform to operate by the user. When user given an instruction, there have some two part, compiler and there have interpreter. Compiler, what is the do? Compiler is a translator. What to do? Translate. Translate when a user given an instruction through user application, any user do any application, suppose user platform and front-end application that to be user application. And compiler is a translator. Compiler is a translator. What to do? Translate. And interpreter also be a translator. That also be translate. And translator language come to Java Object Framework. Java Object Framework, which after translated, after convert to or translated by the user instruction, is written Java Framework. And after framework means it is given a platform. Mean what type of platform user requirement. User, suppose user want to run a program in mobile, that platform given by the Java virtual machine. And platform means suppose you do any activities. Suppose in a computer or a Java program you can run in tablet. So after translated, what type of platform requirement user given by the API or Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine which what type of after Java compilation, then Java framework given and framework then virtual machine, and virtual machine acquainted with object on operating system. Operating system is a essential part for all the device, and operating system, it is a system defined function, and Java virtual machine is convert to and given the user instruction, and user instruction convert to machine understanding language. Machine can understand only what type of language? Machine can understand only binary language. And though after Java virtual machine in convert create a platform, what type of platform? According to user platform, and user platform जैसे मिल जाया जावा वर्चुअल में उसी को इसी प्लेटफॉर्म में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूजर है, एंड्रॉइड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है कि लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है और कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, उसी का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सेट करके उसी को रियल टाइम मशीन को उसमें सेट कर रहा है. जावा वर्चुअल मशीन इज एसेंशियल पार्ट फॉर ए और इज present in Java, which is easily run and execute the program. And so this is the operation that's why JVM is present in Java, easily operate any platform. In other programming language there is only compiler interpreter. Here is a JVM, it can give a according to user platform and user operating system and user instruction, it related with, that's why JVM or Java can be run any platform. JVM is heart of a Java programming language. Okay, this is my chapter or this is my part 3 of Java programming, and try to like and subscribe my channel. Your subscription is very important for my channel, and very many thanks to you.